Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate the vastly superior technology of the Kinetico twin tank softener and why you might want to consider investing in one for you and your family. I'm going to conduct this demonstration very simply. What I have in front of me are 3 flasks. They're each filled with water, and I'm going to add to them some pure soap. This is the type of soap like you might find in the doctor's office, so there's no added perfumes or anything else. It's just simply soap. I'm going to put 5 drops into each one of these flasks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now right off the bat, I'm just going to give them a little bit of a swirl. We're going to shake them up in just a second. But for now, I'm just going to swirl the soap around in there just a little bit. Just enough to get it to mix into the water. Now, these two happen to be the same type of water, and this one's a little bit different. I'm going to explain in just a second. But for now, we're going to zoom in and take a little bit of a closer look. Now, you may notice right off the bat, all I've done with these flasks, like I said before and you saw me, is just swirl the water around a little bit. Now this one just may look a little bit more clear than this one. So what you're seeing right off the bat is what happens with pure soap, or any kind of soap for that matter, when it's added to hard water. This, in fact, is the hard water sample. This is Kinetico soft water. Now I'm going to shake them up. And here's the other one. Give that one a shake. And as they settle out, hopefully you can see a dramatic difference. Move my hand a little bit on this one. Again, this one, the water looks very cloudy and rather distasteful. And these the water remains very clear with some great suds in the top. Now I have to ask you right off the bat, which would you rather bathe in or do laundry in? This kind of water, doesn't look so inviting, or that kind of water. That's some pretty good looking stuff. The difference that you're seeing here in the water is quite dramatic and very, very simple. What happens with soap in hard water is that the soap and the rock coagulate. They stick together. And it makes it very difficult for the soap to do what it's there to do, whether that's cleaning your hair, your skin, your dishes, your laundry, or for that matter, even your dog. This water and this soap combined are very, very hard to rinse out. So this very dramatically demonstrates the benefit of the twin tank Kinetico system and our vastly superior technology. Let me demonstrate a little bit further. With a Kinetico, since we have 2 tanks, there's always one in reserve. On a single tank electric system, which you might very well have in your home now, you only have 1 tank. When that tank gets dirty and it's time to regenerate, there's only one water source going into that tank. That's hard water. And the hard water that it's using to regenerate or clean the system, of course, is filled with rock. You now have a softener that's filled with rock, and it needs to be cleaned of that rock, and you're trying to get that done with water that's filled with rock. Therein lies the inefficiency of a single tank electric system like you'd purchase from any one of our competitors. With a twin tank Kinetico, even if one of our tanks happens to get dirty, let's just substitute this one in there, now we've got a dirty tank, yet you still have some more laundry to do or more children to bathe or whatever the case might be. Well, no problem with the Kinetico, we just switch to the other tank. This one's dirty, so that goes to tank B, and tank A is now producing soft water for the house, and simultaneously we take some of that same soft water and we regenerate this tank. That's why we have such an efficiency gain, because just as soft water is more efficient than your washing machine, in your dishwasher, and in your shower, it's also more efficient in the softener. And that's why we use so much less salt, so much less water, and of course, no electricity, because all the Kinetico twin tank systems are non-electric. So there you have it, the many benefits of a twin tank Kinetico softener. I think you ought to consider investing in one today. Thanks for watching.
Let the